Alright folks, that's a wrap. You've officially leveled up your WooCommerce review game with Product Reviews Pro. We've covered everything from the nitty-gritty settings to the juicy customer engagement strategies. Remember, we talked about setting up killer qualifiers, wrangling those customer contributions, and even how to turn those, less than stellar reviews into valuable learning experiences. Think of yourself as a review ninja, but here's the real secret sauce. It's all about listening to your customers. That reviews report, it's not just numbers, it's solid gold. Or maybe just a really shiny nickel for figuring out what's working, what's not, and how to make your products in store even better.so. Go forth, conquer those reviews, and create a community where customers feel heard, valued, and even a little bit entertained. Thanks for watching, and happy reviewing.